Let's go. Always have to adjust the seat here. And look at the mess in the car. I think I'm gonna have to vacuum all that. Okay. Start her up. And here people are building their own houses in Tenafly, this whole street. Very big houses being built over there. About 6 to 8 houses are being built in Tenafly, and all are about $1.5 to $2 million. If you buy a big house, real big house in Tenafly, the average is about 1.5 to 2 million, which was not the amount that Karishma and I wanted to spend at this point. But in the future, yes, for sure. Hey guys, just check it out. My back right tire again is deflating, so I think it's quite obvious that there must be some nail or small puncture, which, you know, every few days the tire pressure is dropping. If you looked at my previous video, you would have seen that we had a reduction in the tire pressure, and then we thought it's just the normal weather issues. But now if I look at the gauge which just came on, I was just going to go out to do some other work, and then the tire pressure indicator came on. So that's how it shows. It's showing 31, whereas the rest are 37, 38. So 37, 38 is what it should be at. And just to be clear guys, I'm looking at the road, I'm not looking at my camera. So obviously when you're driving and at least with your video on, you have to make sure that you're completely alert of the road and not bother where the camera is facing it. So let's see. I think it's time to go get the tire repaired properly. Yeah guys, I think I have a flat tire, and before I get into the flat tire repair, since today is Friday the 13th, I would like to wish my mom a very very happy birthday. We just spoke to her, we cut a cake online on FaceTime, and she was really happy. She had a lovely day. I think thanks to technology, the fact that we cannot be with her in India, in Mumbai, at least with FaceTime, with WhatsApp, we are connected every day. So happy birthday mom, missing you. Hope to be with you on your next birthday next August. Next summer we hope to be in India if all this virus crap is over with. But guys, now I am just a few minutes away from the tire repair shop. So unlike India, in the US, the tire repair shops are big tire stores, and you don't have those puncture wallas on the road. These big tire stores, you know, for the big SUVs, mostly they request you to change the tire. They won't repair punctures because the integrity of the car gets questionable. So last time we changed the front right tire for some $200-300. That was at Merck. Now we are going to go check out Mavis. If they ask me to change the tire, I'll have to do it, because they don't like putting puncture repair kit and all that. Those are just short-term items. So for a big SUV like this, it is part and parcel of the investment. Whenever the tire gets punctured, you probably have to put a new tire. And I'm on my phone guys, so bear up. I've also put it at the front camera, so you know, I'm just trying to drive and focus on the camera as well. But we'll see you at the store next. So this is the rear tire which is losing air, and it's 31 psi at the moment. So I'm at Mavis Discount Tire, and they said they'll repair it in about an hour. So I'm just going to hang around here. No other option. I don't have a car to go back home. Yeah. So thankfully he said he'll repair the puncture, but if needed I may have to change the tire as well. I'm not sure. Let's see. Depends. We'll keep you guys posted, and if I can get some footage of them repairing the tire, I'll do that too. By the way, Mavis always offers free air filling, so you can fill your air for free over here, which is a great service. So the car is being put on the lift, and I guess work will start. So let's hope I don't have to pay a lot. I don't want to stand in the sun here, it's very hot, and I don't think they like people just videotaping everything. Yeah, so I guess my mom's birthday is gone with car tire issues. But happy birthday, mom, again. And guys, I'm gonna log off here and update you in the next video about what really happened to the tire. So yeah, it's a little demotivating because last month too my front tire got punctured and we had to change it for $200-300. This month too the back right tires punctured, I guess. I'm just waiting here in the Mavis waiting area. You get to wait here while your car is getting attended to. They said it'll take over an hour. I'll just keep doing my work here and probably edit this video here too. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Ryan Vlogs Live on Instagram. Take care. Bye.